Hello everyone and welcome to our Arts and Crafts Club. I'm Miss Lisa and today we will be learning about the famous American author and illustrator Eric Carle. He wrote books that you would probably know,
like The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
This amazing artist was born in America in 1929. At university, he studied lots of artistic expressions but was more drawn to collage because of its large, bright shapes and colors. Let's take a look at some of his illustrations. Today, we will make a parrot inspired by Eric Carle. For today, you will need a piece of A4 white paper, a piece of cardboard, a regular pencil, an eraser, glue, scissors, colored paper, and colored markers. Now, let's get our white paper and draw 3 shapes: the body, the tail, and the wings for our parrot. Cut the shapes out. Take the cardboard and trace those shapes on your cardboard and cut them out. Take the body shape and draw a line closer to the tail, just like that, and draw a second line closer to the head. Now take your tail and draw a line in the middle. Take the shape of the wings and draw a line in the middle. Cut the lines. Now put the tail and the body together and the wings too, like that. Make sure all of your 3 parts are proportional and look good. Take the shapes apart and let's start decorating our parrot. You could use just one color or many colors. Take your pieces of paper and put them together and cut strips. That way you will cut out many strips at the same time. Different sizes, short and long. Pick one end of the strip and make it sharp. Now, glue the strips on your parrot. I will start with the body. One side, and another side. Then the tail, and the wings. Let's make some eyes. Get the white paper and fold it. Draw a circle, cut it out, and glue it on one side of the head, and then another circle on the other side of the head. Now, take your black marker and draw a pupil and color the beak. Do the same thing on the other side. Let's decorate our parrot with colored markers. Put all the parts together, and now we have a beautiful, colorful parrot.
boys and girls, you did a great job today. I think Eric Carle would love to see your parrots. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.